Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you no longer need restrictions or purchase protection, you can disable or remove your Prime Video pin through your settings. Okay, so first thing first you can do is open Prime Video settings. So launch Prime Video from your laptop, or you can just use it from your phone, whether you are using Android or iOS. So first thing first, go to profile icon here, tap manage profiles or account settings. Okay, so security settings are managed here. Go to parental controls or select parental controls. This is where pin and restrictions are configured. Okay, or just tap edit here and choose the profile you want. Okay, as you can see here, we have many options, for example. So this is the options that we need: profile, pin, and locks. Okay, so you tap manage here. You use the old or your current code. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have two options. Okay, so we have the option of profile lock, require a pin to enter or manage this profile, and we have here updates. Okay, so you can update your pin to another pin. Okay, so to remove your code, you have to go to the profile like settings, the main settings from here. Find the parental controls. This is where pin and restrictions are configured. Enter your current pin, input your existing pin to the access settings required before making changes, and disable pin requirements. Turn off options like require pin for purchases, viewing restrictions. This effectively removes the need for a pin. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.